Luckily, there is two, eye things, because you have two eyes. What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the 7th day of the Advent Calendar unboxings. For this 7th day, we shall be doing the Sephora Holiday Vibes Advent Calendar. But first, if you guys are new here, my name is Jessi, Maee, and we upload makeup unboxings and lifestyle videos, so go ahead and subscribe to my channel and click that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads or, some future Advent calendars, because we got a few more, like 7. Let's get into the Sephora Advent Calendar, and if at any point in time you guys are enjoying this video, please give the video a thumbs up because it really does help me out. The Sephora Advent Calendar, the Holiday Vibes, is a $45 Advent Calendar with a retail value of $102. So not the greatest that I've unboxed already. Actually, it's better than e.l.f. Anyway, let's get on to the first day. So this is a 24-day Advent Calendar, and everything obviously is going to be Sephora brand. And they've made it into an awkward for me to hold up for you guys. So, Alright, day number 1. Oh, it's a cute little box. Oh, it's so cute. Oh. I do appreciate the little boxes being like little presents. That's a really cute touch. I will give them that. So, on our very first day, we have a little... It almost looks like a bullet. A little nail polish bullet. And then this is in the shade Cherry Popsicle. I'm not going to swatch the nail polish because actually I'm just not going to swatch it on my hands. But I will swatch it on a white cloth because I have a feeling there's going to be a few other nail polishes in here just from previous unboxings that I've seen. So there is our shade right there, Cherry Popsicle, in the nail polish. They actually called it a nail lacquer. Day number 2, I think at some point I'm not going to be able to hold this. Day number 2 is this big one. And they all say kind of something on like the top. I don't understand. The other one said Rose. Hey Rose, hey pretty pitty. Oh, does that make your tail wag, you pretty pitty? Huh? Are you a pretty pitty? Yes, you are. Oh, such an easy stick. Okay, let's open up day number 2. Oh, it's a stick. This is the Sephora Mask. It's a stick bamboo. Oh, it's a bamboo mask stick. First part, I don't think is English. It's in a different language. But you just got, it's a decently size, I guess. It's a mask formulated with bamboo. Oh, there was a seal. I don't enjoy that smell at all. 5-minute mask, I might be able to do it for 5 minutes, so we'll have to see when that time comes. Alright, day number 3. I'm sorry if you can hear some little clicky clacky claws. My dog is walking around. Number 3 says cozy for Rosie. I feel like they're giving stuff away because this says hair clips. Wonder what could be in here. Oh, man. Oh, it's a hair clip. Is that how you wear it? Is that right? There you go. Got a cute little hair clip. Way to kick it off, Sephora. Day 4 is up here. I'm not gonna read them. Not gonna read them. Oh, it's cute. What are you? Maybe I should have read you. Made in France. Okay, that's great, but what are you? Oh, it's a bath bomb. It says reach for the bath, and it's in the star shape. You could see the star. But we got the scent. It smells floral-y, like flowers. It needs to be wintry or pumpkin-y, or, because I don't know, not pumpkin-y, but like piney, mistletoe-y, something. Not flowers. 5's down here. 5, we have triple action cleansing water. So we got a makeup remover, basically, like a cleansing micellar water. Alright, so day number 6. We have, it's very light. Are you a sponge? Are you a sponge? No, you're not a sponge. You are, what? You get 1 nose strip. Cleansing time for noses. So they literally are telling you what's gonna be in the box. Day number 7 is this tiny little box. So day number 7, we have a little eyeshadow palette. Not a palette, it's a single shadow. It's a single shadow, but it says time to get starry-eyed. But this is, are you snoring? I should have picked that towel up. That towel's got coffee. I spilled my coffee right before doing all of this, so. And now my dog is sleeping on my coffee-filled towel, and she's snoring, so I'm sorry if you could hear her. Ooh, this is a really pretty shade, though. Oh, it doesn't swatch that great. It might just be kind of... If anything, you're more like a highlight, right? You're not a shadow. You are a shadow, but no. Our little eyeshadow, and this is the shade Girl Talk. You can't really see it too well on camera. It doesn't swatch the greatest. So day number 8, we have another bath bomb. And it says, wrap yourself in a cotton bath. All right, number 9. Stretcho. My hair tie has ears. The 90s are asking for their hair back. They can have it. It's... I don't know if it's better than getting one of those plastic hair ties, like those invisible bobby visible, you know what I mean? I almost threw that in my coffee. Moving on, day number 10. We have, oh, shocker, you couldn't give us a full-size eyeliner. But just a typical black eyeliner. And I actually do like the Sephora eyeliner. It's relatively creamy and it goes on pretty easy. And it lasts a decent amount of time. I just wish you could have gave us a full size. I mean, you know, mini sizes for maxi eye looks. Yep. Day number 11, we have a bigger box with a folded up mask. A coconut face mask. Which, now my mask is all just smushed literally down in this bottom here. Okay, day number 12, my favorite number. Where's 12, 12, 12, 12, 12? Please be something good. It sounds not good. So if you haven't seen my Essence advent calendar unboxing, spoiler, there's a mirror in that one too, and they did basically the same exact thing. You take the button, you know, that you pin, like right here, you know, or on your shirt or whatever. It's got that pin, so they basically take that without the little pin through it and stuck a mirror on the other side. This is not even a good mirror. Like I feel like I'm looking through just like a piece of silver, you know, I mean, even my cup, like, that's almost what it looks like. Very, very cheap. It is also smaller than the Essence one, so at least that one you could see your full face. This one I could see my eyeball. So, disappointed on that. The size could have been bigger. You could have made a foldable one. I don't know. Something other than taking a button and slapping a mirror on the inside. Alright, day number 13, we have... Oh, that's actually kind of cute. How many is in here? There's 10. Okay, this I can actually get on with. There is 10 little wipes in here, so that gives you an idea if you're actually going to enjoy these makeup wipes, because that's what they are. They're like cleansing makeup wipes. And it's in the same like coconut water as the mask. So they got a coconut theme, which it's holiday. Coconut more makes me think of summertime. A little kind of confusing there. But day number 14, we have Super Hydrant All Day. Wait, what is it? All Day Hydrate and Glow. Where's the English? I'm serious. Where's the English? What is it? Just a... Oh, everyday AM and PM. Can also be used as a makeup primer. So it's just like a face lotion or lotion. Or you can use it as a makeup primer. It's got hyaluronic acid, which is great. I like that 60% of this plastic in this tube is made from sugarcane residue. Oh, residuals. Not residue. Residuals are small. I can't read. Anyways, what does that say? Don't forget your morning cocktail. It's funny because my cup says I have mixed drinks about feelings, but there's just water in here. So day number 15, we have a Holiday Vibe Sephora emery board. It's also a mini one. Disappointing, could it get a little bit bigger, you know, I mean, so just a little emery board for, what was that, 15? So far, some things I am not liking. So next in here, we do have a lip liner, but this is in the shade Classic Red. Here's our lip liner right there in the shade Classic Red. Nice to get something other than like a black eyeliner, even though we did get that. But you know. Shade number 17, we have Brightening Skin Exfoliating Scrub. It's got volcanic sand and it's quite dirty. So, I mean, you know, just a little, scrub it all off. No, I feel like it's just getting darker because it's just getting so much more gloomy outside. I'm sorry if that's been kind of dark. Day number 18, we have something pink is what I'm gonna go with. I saw something pink on the box. Oh, yeah. A pink little nail polish bullet thingy. And they're not actually called bullets, but I like calling them because they look like a little nail polish bullet. There's our shade, and that is the shade Rose Bouquet. And the next day, it is day 19. I almost skipped 19. Could have skipped 19 and we would have been okay. Because we then just have some little pomegranate eye mask. And now on day 20, because I almost skipped 19, we have another bullet nail polish. But this time it's clear. So I will not be swatching the clear because that's completely pointless, but it's a top coat. Day number 21 is really super light, and it's another hair clip. I mean, it's kind of cute. Kind of. So there was that one. Day 22. Ooh, we have another eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Matte. Oh, no, I lied, it's a matte. This is in the shade My Dear Nude. And it's just like a taupey. It didn't swatch. So there's the shade. It's on my finger. But it doesn't swatch really on my hand. It's a very, very light nude shade. You might be able to make a little eye look with these two. They didn't swatch great, but you might be able to. Day number 23, we have I don't even know what these things are called. Oh geez, that's hard. Oh. Are they supposed to be that hard? I don't know. It's that thing that goes on the back of your phone, you know, that's like that, and it's got that. I don't use them. So this is pointless for me, and I don't know. Are they supposed to be so hard to turn? It just looks nasty outside. On the last day for the Sephora Holiday Vibes Advent Calendar 2021, Sephora gave to me probably, oh, it's full size, I think. But it's separated. So, it's separated, like the product is separating on the inside there. But we have a Rogue cream lip stain. Or we just have a cream lip stain in the shade. I don't know, it says 13 made in Italy. I don't know if it's actually got a shade name. It smells like vanilla cake, you know, so at least it doesn't smell bad, like it's expired. Oh, wait. I'm just mixing it up a little bit, like trying to stir it up a little bit. It's a really pretty color. Just the smell is kind of getting to me. When you mixed it up a little bit, it got, not the greatest smelling. So there is the lip stain right there. Didn't have a shade name on it, so I can't tell you guys. That's it for the Sephora Advent Calendar. Now I know why it gets such a bad rap. That was awful. So let me know your thoughts and opinions on this one down in the comments below. I absolutely just, if I was 7, I would enjoy this. I don't know if that's who they're really aiming for, like the completely younger audience. You know what I mean? Like, because a little 7-year-old, I don't know why I'm going to age 7. Maybe it's because we're doing number 7. But, you know, they could get a chance to kind of play around, some nail polish, some eyeshadows. I mean, a hair clip, to me, that's just really kiddish. Like, the scrunchie, this kind, I mean, it's got ears. It's cute. It's super cute for a child. So, this is, the bath bombs also, you know, maybe a little spot. I could mix both of them together and get a good bath. That's, you know, oh, this one's in cotton flower. Oh, that must be the name, Maee. Anyway, not my favorite. I, kind of knew what I was sort of getting into because, you know, obviously if you watch any of the other advent calendar unboxings from like other creators, mainly the one I'm talking about, Alexandria Ryan, absolutely love her, like shout out to her, like one of the inspirations why I have my channel. Anyway, go, you know, that's just gonna wrap it up. I'm not gonna just sit here and down Sephora because that was just completely garbage. So let me know what you guys think about the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it because it was a garbage box, go ahead and give the video a thumbs down. Let me know, you know, let Sephora know. Get a better advent calendar. Let me know also, do you guys think this stuff, I mean, here, I'll put it in a box really quick, like this mirror. I definitely could have did without the mirror. The mirror is just, boop. Do you think this stuff in this box, try and separate it a little bit, it's worth $102. If you saw this on a shelf for $102, would you buy it? No, I personally wouldn't. Personally, if I also, oh, forgot this. Personally, if I saw this on a shelf for even $45, no, absolutely not. Not even. I don't even think it's worth the $45. If I saw it on the shelf for $20, yeah, maybe. Especially since, I mean, you got one sheet mask, one nose strip. Luckily, there is 2, you know, eye things because you have 2 eyes. But, definitely, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you missed any of the other advent calendars or you just want to binge watch some content and hang out a little bit longer, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. Bye!